Impact drivers and impact wrenches. They might look alike, but don't be fooled. These powerful tools deliver rapid bursts of torque to tackle tough jobs, but each has its own specialty. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how they differ, what each one does best, and help you pick the right tool for your project. Let's start with the most obvious difference, the drive system. An impact driver has a 1/4-inch hex collet. That means it's designed to accept hex-shaped bits, things like Phillips, Torx, or square drive. It's basically a screw-driving specialist. With the right accessories, you can even drill small holes. Now compare that to an impact wrench. Instead of a hex collet, it has a square drive. You'll usually see a 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch models. These square drives are made to hold sockets, which means impact wrenches are perfect for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. If you've ever seen a mechanic removing lug nuts from a car tire, they're almost always using an impact wrench. Next, let's talk about power. Impact drivers are strong, but they're not in the same league as wrenches. A good professional driver delivers between 1,600 and 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. That's excellent for driving long screws, lag bolts, or working with dense lumber. Impact wrenches, on the other hand, are torque monsters. They start around 100 foot-pounds and can easily exceed 1,000 foot-pounds. That's the kind of power you need to break loose rusty bolts, handle automotive repairs, or work on heavy equipment. One quick reminder, inch-pounds and foot-pounds are just different measurements. To compare them, divide inch-pounds by 12 or multiply foot-pounds by 12. Power isn't the only factor, speed matters too. Impact drivers usually spin faster, often up to 3,600 RPM. That high speed makes them perfect for quickly driving screws into wood. Impact wrenches are slower, often under 2,000 RPM, but that's okay because their main job is delivering raw torque, not speed. There is one exception, pneumatic wrenches. These air-powered tools, common in auto shops, can reach 8,000 RPM or more. They're incredibly fast but require a compressor and air hose. Now let's talk about size. Impact drivers are compact and lightweight. You can carry one around all day on a job site without feeling worn out. They're great for overhead work or tight spaces. Impact wrenches are bigger and heavier. The more torque they deliver, the larger and bulkier they get. A compact 3/8 inch wrench might feel manageable, but once you step up to a high-torque 3/4 inch or even a massive 1-inch model, those are industrial tools built for serious jobs. Both tools are available in different power types. Most impact drivers are cordless, running on lithium-ion batteries. That makes them super convenient for construction and home projects. Impact wrenches, however, come in 3 main types. Cordless, powered by batteries, great for portability. Corded, which are less common today. And pneumatic, which run on compressed air. These are still the go-to choice in many automotive shops because they're fast, reliable, and don't overheat easily. But keep in mind, you'll need a compressor and hoses, which adds to the setup cost. So, which one should you choose? If you're a DIYer, carpenter, or contractor working mostly with wood, drywall, or light construction materials, an impact driver is the tool you'll reach for again and again. It's versatile, compact, and handles everyday fastening with ease. But if you're pulling a transmission, changing tires, or working with heavy steel beams, you'll want an impact wrench. That extra torque makes all the difference. For beginners, a great all-rounder is a 1/2-inch mid-torque cordless impact wrench. It's powerful enough for most automotive tasks, yet compact enough for general fastening work. Imagine you're building a deck at home. You're driving hundreds of screws into treated lumber. That's an impact driver's territory. Now switch the scene. You're in your garage, replacing a flat tire. You need to remove lug nuts that are stuck tight. This time, the impact wrench is your best friend. So there you have it, the key differences between impact drivers and impact wrenches. Drivers are lightweight, fast, and perfect for screws. Wrenches are heavier, stronger, and built for bolts. Choose the right tool for the right job, and you'll save time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below.